Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can set up OpenClaw with Signal, that being the Signal messaging app. So let's get started. Now, just to elaborate, this will be just a tutorial on how to set it up with Signal. If you want a full step-by-step setup tutorial, you can watch my full setup guide in the upper right corner, and then once you come to this step right here of the messaging app selection, you can come back to this one and just set it up with Signal. So I will only be showing the step where you actually connect it to Signal. If you want a full guide, you can find that on my channel, and I will also link it in the description of the video. But essentially, once you're on this step where you would need to select a messaging app, you would just need to select Signal with your arrows, just like this, and then press enter to confirm your selection. Next up, just go ahead and install the Signal CLI. So again, just confirm your selection with yes. Now it's downloading the CLI, so this might take a few moments. And there we go. So right here you have your Signal account, but what you would need to do is you need to have another phone number that you can associate with your OpenClaw bot. So on Signal you can only create a bot if you have a separate number for it. But you don't have to worry about the bot creation side of things. Once you input another phone number right here, OpenClaw bot will automatically create a Signal profile for itself, and then you would just need to add it on Signal by just adding that number on your chat list. So let's go ahead and, for example, input a random phone number. You would also need to have a country prefix number before it, and then just go ahead and confirm it by pressing enter. And there we go. So you just created a Signal account with this phone number, and then you would just need to go to your Signal app, or I have it on my PC. Then click on this pencil icon right here, and then click on find by phone number. Then just go ahead and input the phone number that you selected for your OpenClaw bot right here, and then add it. Once you added that phone number on your friends list, you can go ahead and finish up the setup process. Again, I'm only showing the Signal part of the setup process. If you want a full guide, you can find that in the description of the video, and then continue the setup from there. But essentially, that's the Signal step done, and now you connected your OpenClaw bot to a Signal with its dedicated Signal account. If you want to know how you can connect it to Telegram or Discord, you can watch those videos right here. But essentially, guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.